Hi guys, welcome back to the second part of break number 4 of Sneaky's SP Authentic 2-box break. Got 3 packs left and a whole box, and we've already hit a ton of stuff. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Landeskog, Adam Larson, Mark Scheifele. The hits just keep on coming. So, next pack. Lars Eller, Jordan Eberle, Chris Pronger. Ooh, something sticking to the Pronger. Yes, sir. Sign of the times of Ben Maxwell. Ben, that's going to Winnipeg. Chris Rick May. I think he just re-signed with him. He was actually in the Canadiens organization. Was never really given a chance, but it would be a fringe NHLer. But that's his autograph, so nice hit there. Any autograph's a nice one, especially these on card. You know, they haven't gone cheap. Upper Deck. All their autos seem to be of the on-card variety, which is nice. Ennis, Kerry Lettinen, another base pack. No redemptions. Still no jersey cards. I guess maybe there's no jersey cards this year except for the case hits, like the auto rookie patches. Because I've opened a bunch of boxes and nothing so far. Jimmy Howard. Oh, we got a hollow effects of a goalie. Who's this goalie? Brian Foster, Florida. Future Watch number to 999. Come on. There we go. Hit for Florida. Spacer and a Matt Molson. Get rid of all these spacers. Build a house with these things. Next box. Serial number again. Ends in 420. I got some randoms to give away after, some bonus cards from this year's products, different products from this year's certified Crown Royale. Limited, could be contenders, could even be titanium, anything that's sold this year. Sorry, I didn't give you the time before, but we're still literally I restarted it like 10 seconds after, but Friday 13th. Pack number 1. Wayne Gretzky, the great one. Johansson. Here's a rookie, Tim Erickson. New York Rangers. Good player. Should be a solid defenseman for Heavy E. Congrats. Heavy E's doing it. Base cards. It's got some weird shaped spacer in there. Rick Nash, Okun, David Rundblad. Started the year in Ottawa, but was traded to Phoenix in the Kyle Turris trade. He goes to Phoenix. Phoenix is NHL Goblin. Congrats to you. David Rundblad is purely offense when it comes to being a defenseman, so his cards could have a decent value as compared to like a guy like Eric Goodbranson, who's like a stay-at-home bruiser type. Eric Stahl, Brice Galov, Mike Murphy's a rookie. Carolina, Chris Rick May, another one for you. Spacer and a Mark Giordano. Berglund, Parise, Bergeron. SP Essentials of Jerome McGinley. Again, that's like that common set. I think after a few breaks, you guys are going to be sick of those cards. Still waiting for something truly special besides Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Let's go for some crazy insert card. Oh, this isn't bad. Well, Future Watch, Harry Zolnierczyk, Flyers. More like a third line, fourth line agitator type. Can fight a little. It's a hit for the Flyers and NHL Bruins. Kopitar. I actually was going to take Zolnierczyk at one point in my rotisserie pool because we have penalties, but ended up with Ronaldo. So Zach Ronaldo was awesome for that. Colton Tubert, rookie defenseman for Edmonton. He's basically in like every product. So hit for Edmonton and C-Dot. Base cards. Bobby Ryan. A lot of teams are hot and heavy for him because he doesn't have a cap hit like Rick Nash. Ilya Kovalchuk, Mike Richards, SP Essentials, Jara. Basically, Nash's cap hit I think is like 8 million for like the next 8 years or something, whereas Bobby Ryan's only like a $5 million cap hit. So, and he's outproduced Nash, although he plays with much better players. He's outproduced Nash the last few years. So, both good players. Well, Rick Nash, for some reason, he does not want to play in Canada. Oh, another Edmonton guy. Wow, thought it was the Nuge again. We've kind of seen the full lineup of these Edmonton rookies. Tubert, Petrell. The only one we're missing is Anton Lander. Timo Hardakainen. Another hit for C-Dot. Nice cards. Nice autos, definitely. Carey Price. Brad Park, Kid Russell, base pack. Ryan Miller, Setaguchi. Dmitry Orlov had a nice season. Washington has some ability even offensively. Doesn't shoot a whole lot, but Chris Rick-May, another hit. Spacer. JVR on Toronto now, Paul Stastny. I could see Paul Stastny getting traded at some point. It's possible. He hasn't been the same player the last couple of years, although at times he's still very good. We have a Holo FX coming here. Campbell, Ovechkin, Pavlik, Matt Fratton. Sparkles, Matt Fratton. Matt Fratton has ability. I've seen flashes. I'm not a Toronto fan, but I like their rookie class this past year with Jake Gardner, Joe Colborn, Kadri. If he fills out a little bit, it's going to be good. Merv 76. I still think they're in trouble, that team. I mean, they have a lot of holes. So like Swiss cheese, but good young players. Jordan Stahl, Danny Heatley. Hate that guy. No one will ever win with him on their team. He'll never win Stanley Cup, that guy. Got no heart. Alan York for Columbus. Played pretty well last year, actually. He could end up being a factor, even though they brought in Bobrovsky. Bobrovsky, I think they took a chance on. Doesn't make a lot of money. If he tanks, they can cut the cord. So Columbus is heavy E. Making good time here. Henrik Sedin, Timo Solani, Yaro Halak. Look at him, Corey Crawford. Nothing there. Sakic, Billy Erickson, Mike Green, Brendan Moore. Oh, okay, finally we've got a huge hit. Looks like Tyler Ennis. No, it's Vanek. 26, I believe, is Vanek. These are nice. We've got a patch out of 100. 63 out of 100. Look at that jersey patch. Piece of thick patch in there. Nice on-card auto. This is a case hit. I don't think there are too many of these per case. Tomasz Vanek for Buffalo. Huge hit for Chris Rickmay. Thick card. This is a beautifully made card. Really solid looking. Very impressive. Chris Rickmay, hit the jackpot, buddy. Nice hit so far. Hopefully that's not the best hit in the whole case, but I got a whole bunch more boxes to open. Tyler Myers. Oh, this is stuck to the other card, but sign of the times, Matt Stajan. Again, all these autos are on card. I have not seen a sticker auto, so I'll give them that. Upper Deck. Nice job for Calgary. Calgary is DMAC 8798. Seems like quite a few people have gotten hits, so I know like there's like 3 or 4 guys who have multiple teams, so but the wealth has been spread a little bit. Still a few packs to go. We've got Kuhlman, we've got Seguin as some people call him, Backstrom, Zetterberg, Ryan Suter. Base. On to the last 8 or so packs. Owen Wilson, Verbata, Anders Nilsson's a rookie. Islanders goalie. Played reasonably well for them. Islanders is Eric 17170. Believe he had a hit before. Mike Richards, Lidstrom. Try and hurry this up so we can save the next video for random breaks and maybe a recap. Got their Colton Sevier. He just signed a 1-year contract with Dallas. His cards are featured in Crown Royal, I believe. I know he's definitely in certified. He has an auto. I sold one of them on eBay. I got a buck or something. Base cards. Got another rookie coming up. Shattenkirk, Rask, Cavalier, Keith Kincaid. I've seen his card in SP Game Used. Might be in another couple of products. 636, I think. Out of $9.99. Hit for New Jersey. Scott Gomez. Yuck. That trade is the worst trade the Canadians have ever made. I can't believe the Chicago Blackhawks gave Pierre Gauthier a job. I wouldn't give this guy a job cleaning toilets. Unbelievable. He was pathetic. Trades a player in the middle of a game. Fires an assistant coach right before a game. And the guy's just never talks to the media. The guy's a complete joke. Joe Colborn, Hollow FX. Nice card again. Big Joe. Way to go, Merv. Merv 7676. We're at about 14.5 minutes here, so this will be my last pack. I'm going to save the last 3 packs for the random round. Vermette, Dubinsky, Joe Vital, Vital, Dick Vital, whatever. 2-way player for Pittsburgh. Hit for Pittsburgh. They've had a couple of... No, that's their first hit. Jeff Stacy, congrats. I know you bought into one of my other breaks. I'm happy you got something there. Be back for the random. 5 seconds.